Introducing the Q3 Fat Tire Ebike, where speed meets versatility. Equipped with a robust 750W motor, this electric bike propels you to a thrilling 25 mph on flat or semi-gravel terrain. Perfect for the daily commuter who craves a little extra excitement in their ride. Conquer any landscape with ease. The Q3 all-terrain electric bike, powered by a 48V 750W motor, is designed for the adventurer in you. Whether you're navigating harsh hill trails, cutting through sand, or blazing a trail in the snow, this bike is built to handle it all. Your ride, your rules. Stability and comfort come standard. With wide 20-inch by 4.0 fat tires, the Q3 Ebike is made for off-road biking, offering superior stability in natural suspension even on the toughest terrain. Enjoy the ride, no matter where it takes you. Power up and keep going. The Q3 features a removable battery pack, allowing you to charge in or out of the bike, giving you the flexibility to recharge wherever it's convenient. With a secure battery lock and IPX4 waterproof rating, you can ride with confidence in all weather conditions. Take control with precision. The SHIMANO 7-speed gear system ensures reliable, accurate, and smooth shifting, helping you tackle hills or cruise on flat roads with ease. Whether you're accelerating on an incline or cruising through the city, this bike adapts to your every need. Fun, affordable, and ready for anything. The Q3 Fat Tire Ebike is fully equipped for both the urban commuter and the adventurous explorer. With its powerful motor and 20-inch fat tires, you can take on the city streets or venture further with ease. Ready to ride? Discover the freedom of the open road with the Q3 Fat Tire Ebike. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this bike delivers power, performance, and affordability all in one sleek package. Your next adventure starts here.